Okay, you guys, so why do we have to learn this? Well, the reason you had to learn this was because data is used every day in our lives to basically diagnose what we like and what we don't like. So a lot of companies they use questions and surveys in order to meet whatever it is that you like and want. So statistics is all around us. So let's go ahead and target these questions. What does it mean to say that data have variability? So variability is basically just remember two things. It means a lot of answers and different kinds of answers. So if it has that, it means that it has variability. In fancier words, you would say a question that can measure large quantities of values that are different. Two, when might we expect data to have variability? So if the question is asking more than one plural words like students, cars, colors, and it's not targeting one specific person or thing, it's going to have variability. Um, what might we expect data to have no variability? So if you're asking a question like, what is Luis's favorite soda? It's only targeting one person. So because it's just one person, it's only going to produce one answer, and that's pretty much it. It's not really measuring large values or large quantities. Give some examples of data that would show variability and some that would not show variability. So I have pictures and I have dot plots. So if you look at these pan dulces, the pan dulce, the concha, the vanilla, has no variability because maybe it was a question like, what is Maria's or Dylan's favorite pan dulce? And he said the vanilla concha. It's just one. So no variability whatsoever. But if we look at the picture on the left, you see pan dulce and you see all kinds of colors, all types of shapes, all kinds of flavors. So the question might be like, what is your favorite pan dulce? What is your favorite? It's not just asking one specific person, it's asking anyone. So, and no one has like the same favorite pan dulce. So this one is gonna produce or generate large amounts of answers with variability, whereas the pan dulce, the concha, it's not. So here are some questions that are, here are some questions that are statistical and not statistical. So who is the tallest person in the class? It's not statistical because it's just one answer. How long is the longest river in the United States? It's not statistical because it's just one answer. Am I hungry? Well, this one, technically you have a choice, yes or no, but it still has one answer. So it's not statistical. Now look at the green questions. So what are the favorite colors of sixth graders in my school? How many sixth graders do we have? Over 200. So I'm going to get a bunch of answers and a bunch of different answers as well. Some people might say purple, gold, white, violet, many answers. How old are the teachers at my school? It didn't say teacher, teachers. So you have a lot of teachers. Every single student has different types of teachers. So it's going to produce a large amount of answers that are different. What time did students wake up today? 6 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 10 a.m. A lot of different answers, large amount of answers. By the way, I had a person who I checked in Schoology woke up at 4 in the morning, and yeah, there we go. In this case here, the dot plots are showing variability and and none or little variability. So the one at the bottom, you see that the dot plots are between 11 to 20. There's a bunch of answers. So the one at the bottom has variability, where the one on the top, it only has two answers, 17 and 18. It doesn't have a lot of variability. Okay, and that's pretty much it.